I mean, you can sprint, so I mean the maps are big. I do like that they have like different steps that you have to take. Kind of,
I guess I can't save you after all.
damn it! I like that you have different things that you have to do before you can.
Oh, sugar. Does that hurt?
Like escape or whatever. Not much fun. Moved to PC and have been playing GTA. Yeah, I saw that. That's awesome. I also have a PC. I figured that out. What the fuck? What is happening? God, your reach is ass. I got my kill stolen again.